Araudrah Kundali Chakri Vikramyurjita Shasanaha Shabdatigaha Shabdasahaha Shishirasharvarikaraha. In spite of his extraordinary potency, he maintains a calm and cool presence with a pair of shining earrings. He has a range of divine arms, including the prominent chakra. His dictates cannot be violated by Brahma, Indra, and others. His immense potency is beyond the reach of the 1,000-tongued Ananta, or the 1,000-branched Vedas, or the goddess of speech, Saraswati. He listens with attention and patience to the indistinct noises made by animals like Gajendra in a state of distress. Carrying his 5 powerful weapons, he comes rushing to save Gajendra. Araudraha Kundali Chakri Vikrami Urjita Shasanaha Shabdatigaha Shabdasahaha Shishiraha Sharvarikaraha. Om Araudraya Namaha. Om Kundaline Namaha. Om Chakrine Namaha. Om Vikramine Namaha. Om Urjita Shasanaya Namaha. Om Shabdatigaya Namaha. Om Shabdasahaya Namaha. Om Shishiraya Namaha. Om Sharvarikaraaya Namaha. A sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka, understand their meanings, memorize the words, repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise Him, worship Him, and prostrate yourself before Him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras, become receptive, and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss.